Learn English with Teacher Ligia. Aprende inglés con Teacher Ligia. Indefinite article in English has two forms, and. El artículo indefinido en inglés tiene dos formas, and. Is employed with singular words which begin with a consonant sound. Se emplea con palabras en singular que comienzan con un sonido consonante. Examples: teacher, a teacher. Student, a student. Television, a television. Computer, a computer. Table, a table. And is employed with singular words which begin with a vowel sound. And se usa con palabras en singular que comienzan con un sonido vocal. Examples: orange, an orange. Animal, an animal. Apple, an apple. Orangutan, an orangutan. Octopus, an octopus. With a mute or silent H, we use and. Con la H muda se utiliza and. Examples: an honest man, an hour. With words beginning with a vowel but do not have a vowel sound, we use a. Con palabras que comienzan con una vocal pero que no tienen sonido vocal, usamos a. Examples: a European man, a university, a 1-hour class. The sound U is not a vowel sound. El sonido U no es un sonido vocal. One is not a vowel sound. One no es un sonido vocal. That's why we use a. Por eso se usa a. Exercises. Complete the following sentences using a or an. Check your answers. Number 1. This is an ant. Number 2. Look, that's an umbrella. 3. She needs an office. 4. Is it a scarf? 5. He's wearing a beret. 6. Study for an hour. 7. She is an heir. 8. She is wearing a uniform. 9. There is an atlas on the desk. 10. There is an elevator on the right.